Hello everybody, this is Oscar Esparza, and today I'm unboxing this Tile Essentials pack. So pretty much what it has is a tile mat, one of those tile wallets, I forgot what the name is, and two stickers. So first of all, we get this little package here in addition to this, and I'm thinking these are just like additional stickers. Not stickers, but like adhesive for the back of the stickers. So not really too sure, but hey, you know, it's free stuff, right? So if you look at the back, this is what we're getting. We're getting one mat. It's has 200-foot range. We got the slim, and we got the sticker, which is 150-foot. So the mat and the mat's the only one with reusable. So this is what I'm using right now, the Tile Pro. I mean, not the Tile Sport. So I actually ran out of battery on that. So Tile actually gave me a pretty good deal. I think these ones are like 60. This pack is $60-$70, but since my battery died, they went ahead and gave me a deal for like $44. So yeah, this is kind of just like the packaging, and honestly, I think the packaging is pretty sweet. You know, keeps your stuff protected while it's being shipped. So I'm going to show you the sizes of these devices. So first, let's see if I can get one of these out. So here's the tile mat. I'm going to show you a comparison between the tile mat and the Tile Sport. And by the way, this Sport one is discontinued, and while it is pretty cool, feels metal and stuff, this one I think the battery lasts a little bit longer, and it has a removable battery, so when it dies you don't have to buy a new one like I did. These stickers though, which I do think they're a pretty cool concept, they do actually, like, once they die you have to get a new battery. I mean, you have to get a new sticker. But the cool thing about these stickers is that you can stick them on anywhere. Like in this case, I could stick it on my Switch so I don't lose it. I won't do that because obviously I won't be able to dock it, but if I stick it on there, it has a 150-foot range and a 3-year battery. So yeah, we got two of those. And the Slim is one that I'm actually pretty stoked about. That one too doesn't have a replaceable battery, but it does have 200-foot range as well as a 3-year battery. I think my Tile Sport only had like a year battery. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you how it looks within my wallet and how it measures up to an actual card once I can pull that out. So here's a Discover card that I have. I'll put it side by side next to the Tile Slim. Pretty much the same size, if not a little bit smaller, but I still think it's like the size of 2 cards. So here it is, how it looks on the side of my wallet. You honestly can't even tell it's in there. It does take up a space of 2, but look at that. It doesn't really make it look ugly or anything. It looks like it's just an actual card, which, you know, it's pretty sweet because you don't have to actually add no bulk to it. So overall, this gets a thumbs up for my case.